All right, Tesla fam. Today we're going to be diving into how to use Tesla's, dimming light headlights. Okay, auto dimming headlights. Now, this feature automatically basically just adjusts your headlights brightness based on the oncoming traffic. So you don't have to actually manually switch between high and low beams. So let's get started, guys. I have put a outline of the steps for you at the top left, so just follow along. So what you want to do, guys, first is you want to first access the headlight settings. Just make sure your Tesla is in park, and on your touchscreen just tap on controls. And then, guys, what you want to do is you want to select lights. Okay, select lights. This is where you can adjust all your lighting settings, including the auto dimming feature. Right, so you want to basically enable auto dimming for the headlights. So under the light settings, you want to look for the auto high beams. Make sure this is toggled on. Okay, make sure this toggle is switched on. And when activated, basically your Tesla will automatically switch between high and low beams based on the traffic conditions, guys. Okay, now once you have enabled this, you can actually test it out. Just drive at night, and when you approach other vehicles, or get close to street lights, the headlights will automatically dim, and they will also brighten once the road clears up ahead. And guys, if you want to actually fine tune the sensitivity of your auto dimming headlights, you want to just return to the lights settings, and from here, guys, you may find an option to adjust how sensitive the auto dimming reacts to oncoming lights. You can make adjustments, guys, that suit best your driving preferences. And if you prefer to actually control your headlights manually, you can simply toggle the auto high beam switch from the light settings. This will keep your headlights on low or high beam as you choose. All right, guys, and that's it, guys. Now you know how to use Tesla's auto dimming headlights to make your night drives smoother and safer, guys. Make sure you hit that link in the description, guys, for more Tesla tips and tricks and ways to upgrade your ride even further, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys.